Hi y'all, I'm Autumn with the Furniture Flippers Guide, and today we're going to make over this ugly thrifted mirror. I can't wait to show you the simple steps for taking this piece from trash to treasure. I am so excited that today we are completing this simple thrifted mirror DIY. I had a few bumps in the road. We will get to that, but I will tell you how to get past those. First, we are covering and taping off the mirror glass. I will tell you it was a little windy and that was kind of a mess, but I figured it out and got it done. I used magazine paper because it would slide easily under the frame. And I got the benefit of it smelling good from the cologne sample. All right, it is 104 degrees outside. It is very hot. I'm taking a break. I'm enjoying myself for a second. Then I'm gonna get to it. So the piece is covered with paper. It is taped down. I'm gonna sand it next and then we can get started painting. Here we go. Now that it's sanded, I wiped it down and I will be adding some Rustoleum metallic gold. Shake it up well and spray it on in light coats. That is the key to keeping it from dripping. All right, 3 coats later and I am in love with this gold and I'm in love with this look. There is just one problem, and let me show you. There was dried paint from the previous owner's paint job all over this piece. There was pieces of tape and it was all gunked up. So I attempted scraping it and hiding it, pulling off a little bit, but it wasn't going anywhere. It was still stuck under the mirror. So let's try something different. Okay, so the best way to handle this is just to take the mirror out of the frame. My sweet husband helped me do this, showed me a tip, and here we go. Let's see if we can get this all cleaned up. If you enjoy these DIYs, be sure to check out my page and subscribe. Oh gosh, yeah, I dropped the frame on the floor. Okay, here you can see all of that paint that was showing, all of the gunked up paint from years ago that needs to be removed. And I'm also spray painting the interior to make sure we cover any of that color that may be showing through on the mirror. This stuff really is amazing. It gets the job done and takes off that old grimy paint. Literally looks good as new. So because I'm looking for a modern look on this mirror, I decided to use some Rub and Buff in European Gold and just make the shine a little bit more matte. And I just love this gold. It adds the perfect hint of age to your gold pieces. What do y'all think? Do you have a preferred gold that you like to use? Be sure and share in the comments. I would love to know. Okay, let's put it back together. I was really nervous, but I did not break it. I did not drop it. I went ahead and replaced the staples covering the back of the mirror, making sure that it was held in place really well so we wouldn't have any accidents. And here we go. Here's the final look of the thrifted DIY mirror. What do you think? I am in love. Be sure to go subscribe, share your ideas or what you think in the comments. And as always, thank you so much for being here. I am so glad we get to learn together with the Furniture Flippers Guide.